Welcome back, IP5. I hope you're doing great, you're staying safe, and you're staying home. Today we are continuing with our lesson number 13, and our topic is blog and website. So we will be going through what is a website, what is a blog, and what program can we use to help us to create a blog or a website. All right, so ready or not, here we start. First, what is a blog? A blog is a shortened version of weblog. It is an online journal or informal website displaying information with the latest posts appearing first at the top. It is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. A website is a collection of publicity basically accessible. So it's accessible to the public. So publicly accessible, all right? And interlinked with web pages that share a single domain. So this is a website. Websites can be created and maintained by an individual, group, businesses, or organizations to serve a variety of purposes. Together, all publicly accessible websites constitute the World Wide Web, or as we know it, WWW. So now, what is WordPress? What is WordPress? It's a software that you use to build your website or blog and publish it on internet. It is a content management system, or CMS, so content management system. You can build from anywhere if you have internet. Create free websites. So this is the logo or the symbol of WordPress. This is the program that we are going to learn more about. Your website can be deleted at any time. So these are the cons of WordPress, the bad things of WordPress. So your website can be deleted at any time if WordPress figures out that your content is not good, or you're not following the rules of this website. They can delete your website at any time they want. You can't monetize with ads, so it means you cannot make money using ads, advertisements. You cannot upload plugins. You can't customize a theme. You don't own your domain name. So how it's gonna look like is your domain name.wordpress.com. That's gonna be your website. Domain name it means the name of the website you chose. Kinds of website built with WordPress. So believe it or not, there are a lot of websites out there that use WordPress, like blogs, portfolios, online resumes, forms, business websites, e-commerce stores, membership sites, social networks, and so on. Now, some popular websites that use WordPress would be TechCrunch, Mashable, the New York Times blog, CNN's on-air personality blog, Sony Music, Walt Disney, Katy Perry. 30% of the, so why use WordPress? Why should we use it? There are so many websites. The thing is, 30% of the internet is powered by WordPress, which is a huge amount of percentage. Big corporate websites blogs, and celebrities also use WordPress. WordPress is free and open source. WordPress is easy to use. WordPress is SEO friendly, which is search engine optimized. WordPress is easy to install. WordPress is flexible. WordPress is easy to use and learn. WordPress helps. WordPress help is always a few clicks away. WordPress lets you control your content as you want it. So now we have WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So what is the difference? WordPress.com lets you create simple websites. It's free, easy to use, but you lose most of your flexibility and control. Now, WordPress.org, aka self-hosted WordPress, it's free and open source CMS software that you can install to create a website that's completely yours. So now that we have learned some background of WordPress, let's go to the website and select get started. So first off, this is the first page when you search WordPress.com. You can also click on the link I have attached for you here. And next step would be to get started. So right on the top right-hand corner, you can click Get Started. Choose how you want to create your account by giving your email and choosing username and choosing a password, or by continuing with the Google or Apple account. Next, answer the following questions, the follow-up questions that they will have, and join the website and log in. So probably you can choose using either your email and choosing a username and choosing a password and then create your account, or the second option is just continue with Google or Apple accounts. So what I did is I just used my email and I created a username and I choose a password and I just created my account. And they might ask you some more questions about your birthday, or maybe they have some extra questions after this step. So you just answer that and follow the step-by-step process. Once you do that, you can log in, and this would be the first page that you might see. And also you can get an email. You will get an email to the email that you gave them to verify your account. So you have to go to your email first and just read what they write and click on the link to just verify that it's you and you created this account, and then you can get started. So this would be the first page you'll see, most likely. If not, you can just click on this face and it will go to this page, most likely. Now, let's try to explore WordPress a bit. Let's open the website now and just go through what we have learned so far. So I'll just go to the website. I will not teach you everything today, but this is just the first class for introduction for creating a blog. So you can see this is your first page, and we already confirmed the email, and they have an app that you can try. So we can see here quick links. I want to edit my site, so I'll click that. So I already have started a bit with the process. So I have named it Amir's Teaching, for example, or I can also change it Amir's Portfolio. Okay, and I can add a photo. From my desktop. Can make it bigger. Perfect. Next. Let me move my face down here. So we can check the templates, how you want it, the block. Colors. You can go through all the options, just taking a look what options we have. You can see you can edit one by one. Here we have the first top, that is my name and my picture. These are the codes that they create by themselves. Here we can edit the background. Now that we have that, we can edit here. We write what we want to have as a blog or as a website. We can edit this to be something else if you want, or if you want, you can keep it. And basically you can see this class is, for today's class, this is just an introduction. We will not go too deep inside. I don't want you to be confused, but just have a look on the website. You can upload some photos, write, and we'll go more in detail in the coming classes. So just get started, try to find the color that you want to use. Yeah, I just want you to explore for this class. Don't do anything much, just explore what's going on in the website. What can you do? What are the options? Of course, you can edit the text. And also you can see the preview here as a desktop or a tablet if someone is viewing your website with a tablet or a mobile phone that you can see. Let's go back to the desktop. All right, so this is all the details that I wanted to show you today and the differences between WordPress and website, blog, and everything. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for joining the class today. Go and check out the website. Make sure you log in. That's the important part for today's class. I want you to have your account in WordPress already. So for the future classes, when I ask you to do some homework, you will have it ready and you can basically get started. So you don't have homework for today, but I suggest you start doing step by step so you don't have too much work for the final project. Because for the final project, you probably have to do a website or a small blog, just the one like the one I showed you. You just do something that you like, for example, adventure of your life or some trip that you went on. It can be your blog, it can be your diary, it can be your interest, your hobbies, just anything. You can search what you like or the animals that you want to have or whatever interest you have. Everyone has different interest. You can read website and blog differences and decide what you like. All right, that's all for today. So get started with just exploring WordPress a bit, and in the future classes, we will go more in detail in the tools options, what you can do actually, and how you can control it. So just go and take a look and see you next class. Stay safe and stay home. Bye-bye.